Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Are you looking to take your cleaning routine to the next level? With Bissell vacuum attachments, you can achieve a whole new level of cleanliness and efficiency. In this video, we will delve into the world of Bissell vacuum accessories and show you how to make the most of them. So, let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide detailed information. Bissell offers a wide range of vacuum attachments that are designed to tackle different cleaning challenges. Whether you need to clean upholstery, reach tight corners, or tackle stubborn pet hair, Bissell has the right attachment for the job. Let's take a closer look at some of the most commonly used attachments. First up, we have the Bissell upholstery attachment. This attachment is perfect for cleaning sofas, chairs, and other upholstered surfaces. Its gentle bristles and powerful suction allow you to remove dust, dirt, and pet hair effectively. Simply attach it to the hose of your Bissell vacuum and glide it over the surface for a deep and thorough clean. Next, we have the Bissell crevice tool attachment. This slim and elongated attachment is ideal for reaching those narrow and hard-to-reach spaces. Whether it's between sofa cushions, along baseboards, or behind furniture, the crevice tool can effectively remove debris and dirt from even the tightest spots. It's a must-have attachment for detailed cleaning. If you have furry friends at home, you know how challenging it can be to remove pet hair from furniture and carpets. That's where the Bissell pet hair eraser attachment comes in. Equipped with specialized rubber bristles, this attachment is designed to attract and remove pet hair with ease. Simply glide it over the surface, and watch as it lifts away those stubborn pet hairs. For dusting delicate surfaces and reaching high areas, the Bissell dusting brush attachment is your go-to tool. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.